I'm about to show you exactly how I learned to skate backwards. So I was editing my video and I realized that I forgot to mention one of the key steps in learning to skate backwards. And it is called a bubble. Start with your feet like this, toes are pointed together. All you do is bend your knees and push out and go back up. Start with your toes together, pointed up, bend your knees, out and in, out and in. Bubble out, in, out, in. Your toes stay completely on the ground and you pick up your heels just slightly. Pick up your heels, pick up your heels, pick up your heels, pick up your heels. And actually, I'm really only picking up my heels after I get to this point. Pick up my heels, bubble. Pick up my heels, bubble. So again, that is starting with your feet pointed in, bubble out, lift heels, bubble out and in, lift heels, bubble out, in, lift heels, bubble out, in, lift heels, out, in, lift. A little bit faster, out, lift, out, lift, out, lift, out, lift. Yeah. All right, now get back to the video. All right, so from square one, keep your arms out, balance, point your toes together and bend your knees. All you have to do is do little, small, tiny baby marches like this. You're automatically gonna start moving back. If you start to go a little bit too fast for your liking, don't forget you can always put your toe stops down. Once you master the baby marching steps, go ahead and make your strides a little bit bigger by pushing out. Start with my toes in. I'm gonna lift and put down my right foot. And as I'm putting down my right foot, I'm pushing out with the left foot. Bring in the left foot. As I put down the left foot, I'm pushing out with the right. So make sure you pick up and place it down directly underneath your body. And remember, as you put a foot down, the other foot is pushing out. Step, push. Step right, push with your left. Step left, push with your right. I highly recommend getting comfortable picking up your feet while moving backwards. However, I prefer to keep my wheels on the ground as I skate. So I'll show you how I do that. Really, it's all in my upper body and most of all my hips when I do this. So I swing my hips to the right and I skate backwards to the right. And then I swing my hips to the left, skate backwards to the left. Put your arms out and just start picking kicking up your heels and moving your hips side to side. Once you get the hang of that and keeping balance without picking your wheels off the ground, you can try keeping your weight on one of your legs. So I like to keep my weight on my left foot and use my right foot to push and steer because I am right-handed and right side dominant. So that looks like this. My weight is on my left foot and I use my right foot to push. At most roller rinks, the direction is counterclockwise. So if you're skating backwards, you want to make sure that you can turn properly. I like to cross my right leg behind and push my left leg in front. There are numerous ways to do crossovers when you are going around a curve, but that's the way I like to do it because it's the simplest in my opinion. Hit the like button if this video was helpful to you, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel to stay updated on my latest roller skating tutorials.